Sure, sure. So one of the things that we would advise is allow for yourself to get into a very comfortable position. Ideally, lie on your back. And what we would advise is focus on the three major energy centers of the body: the center of the head, the center of the chest, and the center of the belly, the low abdomen. And breathe 9 times into the center of each of these chakras. For the upper center, inhale into it. And on your exhale, feel that you're pushing out any excessive thinking, any types of negative thinking, any type of cyclical thinking. Every exhale, feel you're pushing that energy out. So working on the level of mind, doing 9 breaths for the upper center. For the middle center, do 9 breaths, pushing out any excess emotions or old stagnant emotional energy. And then for the lower center, on every exhale, pushing out any type of negative or uncomfortable physical sensations. So that will be 27 breaths in total. From here, what we would advise is to do a body scanning meditation, beginning at the top of the head, working your way down to the feet, really going deep into the body, visualizing and feeling the different organs, the bones, the cells of the body, really allowing for your mind to permeate the totality of your structure. From here, what we would advise is a gentle energizing meditation. So starting at the root chakra, the perineum, the base of the body, breathe in 9 times, gathering a red light, seeing the chakra being energized like a red light bulb turning on. For the sacral chakra, which you can make level with your belly button, you can see an orange, a bright orange light here, yellow for the solar plexus, green for the heart, light blue for the throat, dark blue for the third eye, and then purple for the crown, charging each center with 9 breaths. And from here, once all of these centers are turned on and are activated, then the idea is to give them an energetic program, instruct the chakras in a way that allows for you to receive the desired manifestation. So out loud or just in your mind, speak to the chakras, energy body, energies that I have called forth, fortify and nourish my consciousness so that I may remain clear-headed and lucid during my dream experience tonight. May I be able to maintain relaxation and clarity as I navigate through my dream world, and may I naturally develop a lucid dreaming ability that is expansive and is potent. And so it is. And then from here, simply allow for the relaxation that you feel to really envelop you. Start to really go deeper into the relaxation, begin to use the breathing to make yourself more and more relaxed. With every exhale, you can even say to yourself, I'm becoming more and more relaxed. And use the breath and the observation of the breath to really bring the body into sleep. Let the mind almost fall completely asleep, but maintain a base level of awareness, almost as if you were keeping your eyes half open, half closed. Does that make sense?
Yes.
From here, you're going to start to experience dream projections. You will start to experience dream worlds forming. At first, it might seem instantaneous, like you're thrust into a movie scene or something like this. But with more practice, what you'll find is you can relax so deeply that you actually see the dream worlds coming into configuration.
Okay. And I'm wondering if this process can also be applied to what you're saying about spirit projection. I do some meditations for like connecting with other beings, and I'll see some stuff, but it seems like my inner sight is almost fuzzy in a way. Like I'll see beings, but they seem a little smoky, like hazy. They're not crisp or clear, and so I'm just wondering, how might I be able to get more more clarity in my inner sight.
It has to do with the visualization skill ultimately,
Okay.
because when you are training in clairaudience or clairvoyance, you're strengthening the senses of the astral body. The astral body is almost like a copy, an energetic copy of your physical body. So the astral eyes, the ears, the nose, the mouths, they are almost like that of an infant. They're not well developed, so they must be strengthened. So with visualization, one of the major ways to strengthen it is through something like guided meditations. These can be incredibly worthwhile and excellent to work with. Anything that allows for you to really challenge your ability to visualize and to ultimately grow this will serve you. Artistic expressions such as drawing or illustration, this will also benefit the third eye and its ability to visualize. And you'll find as your third eye becomes more developed, as your visualization power becomes more potent, your experiences with these beings will also become more potent. You'll be more capable of receiving and processing the astral visual information.
And could I also apply the breathing exercise you're talking about before, breathing into the energy centers to that sort of practice as well?
Of course, yes, you can incorporate that relaxation technique into any meditation scenario. Yes, and you'll end up getting much more out of the meditation because your body will be so relaxed.
Okay, wonderful.